In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online simply helping others. I'm going to show you how to find keywords. We're going to talk about different monetization strategies. So watch this entire video to learn how you can make money simply helping other people. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so the great thing about the internet is that there are literally probably thousands of ways to help people. And so what you want to do is you just want to pick one way, one consistent way that's going to help you help people over a long period of time. The other great part about it is when you help people, you can make money. So as I mentioned, we're just going to take a look at some different ways to help people. We look at some ways that we can monetize those and then just get to work. Now, when you help people, you have to create content. So know going forward that you're going to have to create some type of content. It can be free, it can be paid, but whatever it is, you have to create something in order to help someone. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to jump over to a keyword research tool. This keyword research tool that I like and use is called Ahrefs. If you have no money, you can get started for $7 for 7 days. I recommend that you get this tool to help you make your life much easier to start helping people. So the first thing that we want to do is I'm here in the Keywords Explorer tool. I've simply typed in how to. These are people that are asking questions because they need help. This is the most basic question that people are asking when they don't know how to do something. They're typing in how to. Okay, and so what I've done is I've typed in the words how to. I've changed the keyword difficulty to 5 or less. So basically what that means is a new blog, website, or YouTube channel should have a relatively easy time finding traction, getting success. One of the most difficult parts about creating content on the internet is knowing where to start. This is where you want to start. Start with low competition keywords, and you want to start with keywords that get lots of searches. So keywords are here on the left-hand side. In the middle is the keyword difficulty, score between 0 and 100. Closer to 100, the more difficult. Closer to 0, the easier. The volume is the number of monthly searches, and that's what we need to worry about there. So up here, there are 82 million monthly searches for the keywords that we found, and there are over 1.2 million keywords that have a difficulty of 5 or less. And so what you want to do, if we just look at this, you want to pick out different words to help people. If we look at this, we can help people with how to slide Madden. We can teach people how to draw a fish. You can teach people how to thicken chili. These are all questions that people are asking because they have a problem. What you'd want to do is you want to find, you can do 2 ways. You can either find keywords that are similar. For example, how to draw a fish, how to draw a shark, how to draw a straight line. Those are going to be within the drawing niche. Or you could just create content teaching people how to do these different things. Your niche or area of content is going to be how to. So what you can do, for example, is we could type in something like how to make green. Let's copy this. Maybe they want to teach your kids how to make green. Maybe they're doing an art project over the winter break that's coming up, and you're just going to copy that keyword, and we could paste it right into YouTube, and you can see there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people that are looking for an answer on how to make green. So if we hit enter, how to make green, hit enter, you can see that the top result here is actually, there's a couple different results, and this actually brings up another interesting point. The top result is how to make greens, the food. That has 628,000 views. This person has 200,000 subscribers. The one below it is only a 3-minute video, and they have 17,000 views with 16,000 subscribers. So basically what you can do is you can simply create content to solve someone's problem. We've taken keywords that people are asking. We know that people are asking these questions thousands and millions of times, and we're just gonna help them out. This is the most basic way to help people. You are finding questions, thousands of questions over here. You are going to create content to solve their problem. And the cool thing is when it comes to creating content, you can start off with your basic, what you have lying around. You can create content with your smartphone and the headset, the headphones that came with it. As you start to gain traction, as you start to make money, you can reinvest in the things like a microphone and a high quality camera. But you're simply just going to type in how to, And look at these results here. They're getting millions of views. These people have tons of subscribers, and it shows you that there's opportunity. There are basically 15, 20, 30 videos that are showing people how to draw a shark. One interesting thing here is how to draw a hammerhead shark. So if we do hammerhead shark, that's a different type of shark. How to draw a great hammerhead shark. That's a different type of result, but still, people are simply asking these questions. 8,000 views, 261,000 views, but you can go back over here and find different keywords. You can just scroll through here. How to open a locker, how to draw a cow. Once again, and it doesn't just have to be drawing. It can be anything. Let's see if we do how to draw a bear. If we just keep going here, people are asking very basic questions. And if you wanted to, you could include your niche. So we could say how to let's say headphones. Just type in headphones, and people are asking questions about how to make headphones louder. Once again, what you can do is answer this question. Now, you can provide tips and tricks, and then ultimately, if that doesn't work, we can get into different ways to monetize. But as you can see, 2,000 searches per month, how to make your headphones louder, how to connect Bose headphones on a Mac, how to draw headphones once again. But if we look at this over on YouTube, and you can do this with a blog, you could do this with a Facebook group, or even TikTok or Instagram. But look at this, how to make your headphones louder. Top result here has 147,000 views, only 17,000 subscribers. Look at this one, 172,000 views, 261 subscribers. And this is a 2-minute vertical video where they're not showing their face. And that's the beauty of this. Everything that you're seeing here is you can do this without showing your face. You can point your camera at whatever it is that you are recording. You can do voiceovers, you can do animation software, whiteboard animation. There's a lot of opportunity, and you don't have to show your face. Look at, there are millions of views to be had just helping people, just answering questions. That's all you're doing, is answering questions. So now that we found keywords, and again, this works for anything, the next thing to do is to think about how to monetize. Now, the monetization strategy really depends on the type of content you create. For example, if you are creating a YouTube video, you can join the YouTube Partner Program once you have 4,000 subscribers and 1,000 watch hours. Once you have that, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program, and if you are accepted, you will have the ability to get paid anytime ads run in the beginning, middle, or end of your video. But that's just one way that you can make money. Another way that you can make money, for example, let's say you're creating content about how to make headphones louder. There's a number of ways to make money. If we jump over to Amazon, you go to Amazon.com, we can type in something like headphone cleaning kit. You could become an affiliate for Amazon or any major company that has an affiliate program that has a product or service that is going to help solve the problem. So for example, we know these people want to make their headphones louder. Maybe one of the ways to help make their headphones louder is to actually clean them. And you could find cleaning kits or cleaning solutions, and you would earn a commission anytime someone clicks on your affiliate link and purchases a product. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen here, and you can look for things like become an affiliate or become an associate. Go through the steps of becoming an affiliate, and then you can make money that way. So that's just one way. You can offer cleaning kits or something that's going to help solve the problem. Maybe their headphones are broken and they just need to buy new ones. You could actually find different affiliate products for them to purchase, just like this. And again, you can recommend them if for whatever reason they can't repair their current one. So that's just two ways that you can make money. You can also make money by helping people by offering more exclusive training and exclusive access if it's something that's worth it. For example, if we go back over here to how to draw, maybe you come up with an entire digital book, an ebook where you teach people how to draw. Maybe you come up with a course where you teach kids how to draw. You walk through the steps of teaching people how to draw, and you can make money. Again, you are solving problems and you are making money on the back end. Now, creating a course is actually really easy. You can use something like Teachable to host the course for you. What you would do is you'd create the course in Teachable, and then you'd put a link in your YouTube channel or blog post. Or you can actually host the course yourself using something like ClickFunnels. But again, you are helping people by solving a problem. Anytime someone types in how to or what, they type in who, what, when, where, why, how, they have a problem and they don't know what the solution is. And if you can help them out, they will buy from you. As you can see, there are over 82 million monthly searches, over 1.2 million keywords, and you can really pare this down any way you want to. It doesn't just have to be about drawing. It can be about basket weaving. It can be about getting in a relationship, getting someone to love you. We could type in how to include, we'll say how to include, and then girlfriend, and hopefully most of this is safe for work. We could say how many dates before asking to be girlfriend, how to tell your parents you have a girlfriend. So you could provide relationship advice. These people are entering into a new section of their life, and you provide content to help solve problems and make money. You could say something like boyfriend. And again, these are all low competition keywords. You could say how to and just say him. Let's see, we could say find and click search. And once again, people are asking these questions and you are solving problems. And again, you just want to make sure that you are finding products that are related. And you're going to make money. You have at least 3 or 4 different revenue streams that you can make money. And all of these ways are going to help others. Now that you know how to make money helping others, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.